What is up, everybody? Let us begin. Let us begin the stream. All right. I'm just going to pick up right where I left off yesterday. And where I left off yesterday was this cutscene. Cutscene. Getting it working. Town hall. All right, so what did I do? I converted all these to their own individual hotspots. There's more that I need to do. I need to make this go away. The conversation now starts and ends properly. We sit in the chair and we get up out of the chair when it's over, which is good. I need cameras. I need different cameras. And how am I going to do that? Let's see. I'm wondering if I need to make like a camera system where positions follow all NPCs and I have a virtual camera that jumps around. Or I have virtual cameras attached to all NPCs and I can call them and be like, hey, show yourself. And then go away. Show yourself. Go away. So all I need to do is be like, NPC, close-up cam, NPC middle, NPC wide shot. I'm wondering if that's what I do. It would be clean. Definitely cleaner than having a camera in the scene wherever I need them. Although, not really. They both have their advantages. If I just have like a camera for every shot I need, I can customize them. And it doesn't have to be this like procedural whatever. But I like procedural. Procedural's cool. Then I don't need to place a camera everywhere. And then what does that mean that like, what does that mean in terms of where a camera should go? I theoretically have a formula that calculates where a camera goes in the most optimal position, but that's not for cutscenes. That's like the game camera. I can extend that to be the perfect cutscene camera. All right, I think I'm just gonna make a camera for every angle I need in the game. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So let's start. I already have these. They're in weird spots. I wish there was a better way to view these. There's so many gizmos. I can turn nav mesh off, right? Okay, that helps at least. How do I make this more noticeable? It's like impossible to see. And then I want to preview. I know there was like a way to preview. Like preview what a camera looks like. I guess I could just do this. Just put the game view here. I have all this UI in front of it though. And then I say priority. 99. Turn off UI. How do I turn off UI? Is there like an easy way? I'll just do it the hard way. All right, so I want this to be a camera angle, right? This wide angle of the full table. I don't remember, like field of view 50. I know that means 50 degrees of viewing angle. I kind of want physical. There we go. Like I want physical camera settings. Oh, perfect. There's a physical camera button. Oh, but this is for, wait, what? This is for ISO, sensor type, shutter speed, lens. Okay, there we go. Okay. 35? How come it doesn't update? Why doesn't it update? Oh, whoops. I have the UI camera selected. Go back. Back. Turgus. Turgus, how are you? I just watched that movie last week. I love it. Wait, this one doesn't have a physical camera settings because it's a Cinemachine virtual camera. Dang it. Perspective. Lens mode override must be enabled in the Cinemachine brain for mode override to take effect. All right, whatever. I have a migraine. Just stop by to say hi. I'm Turgus. Feel better. I'm sorry you have a migraine. It's so slow. Why is it so slow? So FOV to focal length. There we go. That's what I need. The FOV to focal length calculator. I don't want to deal with these. I don't want to deal with FOV. I want to deal with. Oh, wait, what is this? New palette entry with these settings. Interesting. Maybe I can just make the camera angles I want, or the numbers at least. I want a 35 mil, I want a 55 mil, and I want a whatever. Yes. Null muscles mass. My God, why are you making a game in Unity as a game developer? You should be making your own C++ game engine and make your game in assembly. Oh my God, dude. Did you just read Notch's Twitch or Twitter post? Did you just read that and come here and say that? Finn, how's it going? I just saw a post from Notch saying that in a nutshell. He's saying everyone should be making their own game engines, and and then he was like backing his argument, and yeah, I definitely unfollowed him after that. Pete, how's it going? You're just memeing? That's good. Notch also probably advocates for annexing Ostrich. Jesus. Yeah, I'm not. We don't do engine wars here. We don't make people feel bad about their choices. Anyone who has like really strong opinions and that kind of stuff, I don't know. Maybe you're a little full of yourself. Anyway, welcome in, Null. How are you? Probably isn't very good. Who's not good? What's not good? I wish I could move around this camera. I wish I can snap it to my perspective view. I want to snap it to my perspective view. Or I want to set up like an aim target. I want all my tools. Oh, if you have strong opinion or if you have strong feelings for an engine or a method over another, you're usually trying to deflect your own inadequacies. Yeah. Oh, what are these buttons? There were new buttons that showed up. Come back with little buttons. Come back, little buttons. What were you? CC? Adjust the far and near clip. That's cool. Adjust the field of view. How? What does that button do? What do the buttons do? Where are the things to grab? I see that there are things highlighted. Look, this has a thing to grab. Look, now I can change that. That's great. That's fantastic. Good for that thing. What about this one? Oh, there it is. Okay, okay, I can live with this. I wish it was better. I wish it was better. Just want a better way to move it though. Let's just rough it in. We'll just rough it in. Yeah, this is better. And then I just got to remove the Z rotation after. So this is the CM camera cut A. All right. What do I actually want? What I actually want is... Wait, can I do wildcards? I forget. Does the Cinemachine support wildcards? Cinemachine Brain. Custom blends. Camera cut A, camera cut B, camera cut C. So the upsetting thing about this is I need to make a explicit entry for every camera in the game that I don't want to name these things. Is there any way to just like tell the camera to do that? Tell the camera to be a cut? Probably not. Lurk. Okay, I said my piece. Everyone behave or I'll nuke chat. Finn, thank you for the lurk. I'm just going to be here chilling, trying to make this clean. You know what? I'm going to worry about that later. Sorrow. What is up? How are ya? This is A. This is B. This is C. I need to put a character there. Maybe what I should do is I should trigger this cutscene and lay out my cameras in game and then copy and paste them. I wonder if I'll crash. Let's try it. Oh, I didn't do pre-roll ads. Whoops. All right, I'm all ads and I'm going to do ads right now. I'm just going to get them out of the way so when people join, the ads don't happen. 2 minutes. I just need a close-up of each chair. Let's do that. So whose is this? Oh my god, what is happening? Those gizmos are slowing down the game so much. All right, we're back. It's better now. So whose chair? Whoa, I guess it's not the gizmos. What is going on? What is this frame rate? This is Stella's chair. This is Oriel's chair. Okay. All right, welcome back. Sorry about throwing those ads at you. So what's a 55mm lens? How about I'll just create a dummy camera just to do the conversion here. Create camera. Dummy camera. Physical camera. So focal length 35 is 37.8. Okay, 37.8. And then I go to D's. Close up. Vertical E 37. This is a new palette entry with these settings. Let's actually set this back to something like that. No Dutch. Palette. Oh, hang on. I'm getting a call. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. All right, let me just do this quickly. I gotta do this quickly. This was 46, I guess negative 45. I like clean numbers. I like clean numbers. 20, 20, 45, 0. 20, negative 45, 0. Global. Move this up a little. Center it on this person. It's tricky, these people sitting in these chairs. I don't want to swing the camera around and view the back of the game. The game is not meant to be viewed from the front. So we're just gonna have to view them from behind. We're just not gonna be able to see their faces. Sorry, I got to say, but you look like Alex Volkanovsky for some reason. I don't know who that is. Is that a person? Is that a video game character? I will say that I look like a lot of bald white guys. We tend to look the same. Dad? Dad? Minipon? Musco? He's a UFC fighter who is bald? Nice. Oh, wait, I'm not white. Or are you? Oh, where's the first camera I made? This one. So this room has... Okay, I just realized something. If I do name them all, cut A, cut B, cut C, cut D, cut E, I could technically have those in the Cinemachine brain and mark them all as cuts. And other scenes can have these same cameras, and because they can never be loaded at the same time. It's safe. It's like a safe thing. So maybe I'm okay. Definitely not, or everyone has been playing a massive coordinated joke on me for a whole lot of time. Sometimes people are in Finn is Fine stream and they're like, wait, aren't you Booyah Grandma? And then people come here and they're like, wait, aren't you Finn is Fine? And then both of us get, wait, aren't you Northern Lion? All right, I need one for... I need one for Eugene. Should Eugene's be like epic and down here and looking up? No, because I don't want to see the sky. I gotta be careful. I never want to like see the sky. I don't want to see over the walls, past the horizon. So this is now B. I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm gonna get rid of these. C. D. All right, so in the Cinemachine brain, I just need to make more of these. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's not the best thing in the world, though. Custom blends. So this is a... What's the point of this being a scriptable object if you can really only have one? Can you have multiple brains? Is that a thing? I guess you can have multiple brains, but there's got to be a bigger point than that. Custom blends. Clear, clone, new Blender settings. I don't know. We're just going to make... So see, I have up until H. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 5 more. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, go back. Go back, go back, go back, go back. Go back. Make 1. And this is now CM camera cut. Maybe CD to any camera. And it's going to be a cut. And yes, A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G, H. And then same thing, but reversed. E, F, G, H, E, F, G. There's got to be a better way to do this. Virtue, how are you? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I really want to name these cameras properly. I don't want them to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, but that's all I get right now. Tired, but I'm good. How are you? I'm doing all right. I'm also a little tired. Yo, Proton Fig. Happy New Year. Thanks again for including me in that that very elaborate holiday card. Hmm. All right, so the one thing I want to do is I want to move some people around. This is Vic's seat. This is Jeff's seat. I want to switch Stella and Jeff's seat. That's easy. I just have to say this is now Jeff's seat. And Jeff's seat is now Stella's seat. Jeff. Stella. Great. Mard. Mard, how are you? I hope everyone's doing their daily Akaris. How's the game going so far? It's been what, 2 weeks now? 2 weeks since launch? What kind of lessons have you learned? What can you share with the class? For those that don't know, dailyakari.com is a daily puzzle. It's an Akari puzzle. And it's really addicting. And Mr. Mard made it. I've learned that people don't read yeah. I went to an IRL indie event last night, and I felt weird walking in. Like I always take a lap around the rooms to see if I know anybody. And I didn't know a single soul. Or I saw one person that I've spoken to before. And it was a room full of like 50 people that I didn't know. And I was feeling so antisocial that I'm like, you know what? Forget it. I'm just gonna put my laptop up on a table and I'll present Alpine Lake. I wasn't planning on it, but if people want to come play my game, it's easier than me going and stirring up conversation. Just have people come to you and conversation just happens naturally. So I did that, and I was just down and out and feeling like, ugh, why am I even here? And then like 5 minutes later, once like a couple of people start coming over and playing, everything is grand. And then the alcohol kicks in and I have a great freaking time. I meet a couple of new people that I've always wanted to talk to. I talked to some people, people eventually showed up that I knew, and I had tons of fun. But I was in such a cranky mood in the beginning. There's like a theme. I always tell everyone about my cranky moods. It must sound like I'm in a cranky mood a lot. It's just they're all worth noting. Just remember, it's gonna be okay. Crankiness passes. The whole reason I told the story is because everyone who played wanted to break it and smash through the dialogue and the instructions and the tutorials and get straight to the building. So yeah, nobody wants to read, especially in an event where it's like at a bar and there's loud music. Nobody wants to like read your slow-paced, cozy dialogue or read a tutorial. They just want to instantly build. I think next time I do a bigger event like that, I'm gonna make a specific build that just gets you going, just like gives you the items you need, and then that's that. I've been a bit down with coding. I was fighting with one math issue and my brain's melted. Since then, I've been doing only remixes. Just finished another remix yesterday. Nice, Proton. Did you visit a game dev meetup yesterday? How'd it go? Yeah, it was good. I went. This one is once every month. It was fun. I eventually had a lot of fun. So, all right, I got these cameras, and their priorities are all one. This one's 99. Whoops. We were actually contacted by a fund the other day. Pretty exciting. I don't know what that means. Mard. That's awesome. I don't know what that means either. Sounds like someone wants a cut. Someone wants a cut of the mard. What have you done to me? I want a button that actually hides these. And I want to know why it chugs like this. And then we're good. Is it a background task? Here are 2 of my latest remixes. Which one is your favorite? Well, based on those links, I can't choose. I'd have to click on them and listen to them, which we shall do. This one is called Division by Zero by Proton Fig. I don't see any background tasks happening. What is going on? Is it only also because the game is there? Yeah, it's only because the game view is visible at the same time. All right. I guess I just can't have both. So now what I can do with this whole system is hide and unhide cameras. And what I should do is write myself a note about which camera's which. So Jeff's. Camera A is a wide. How am I going to do this? How am I going to know? I guess I can make empty just game objects that tell me. What is A? A is a wide. Wide camera. What's the best way to indicate? A carrot? A bunch of carrots? I feel like I can play Wii Tennis at 2 times speed to this music. Yeah. Zimian, good morning. Boyle, how are you? Adagon! Adagon Dev! How are you? First time chat from Raider. Yeah, but I know who you are. Shout out to Adagon. No, not shout out. Shout out. Welcome in. How was your stream? Raiders, if you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on a cozy life sim, Innkeeper-Sim called Alpine Lake. Today, I'm working on some cutscene stuff. Trying to get some interesting camera angles going for a cutscene. Tricky Lady, welcome in. Soul, how's it going? Also, Foil, just dropping in to say hi before bedtime. Foil, thank you for saying hi and have a good night. Did a bunch of progress on a Game Jam site. Oh, right, I saw your post in the I saw your post in our stream team Discord that you're making an alternative to Ludum Dare or whatever it's called, however it's pronounced. How is that going? Also, if you want to share anything, please drop them links. If you want to share the link to the website or to your new jam, please. There it is. Everyone check it out. Is it Dar? Dare or Dare? What is it? Is it Dare to Jam? I do like that. Dare to Jam. Beta site. Look at that nice image. April 4th through the 7th. Everyone mark your calendars if you want to join an alternative jam. They don't overlap, right? Okay, so we were just listening to Proton Fig's tracks. That was track number 1. Proton Fig shared us 2 tracks. We're gonna listen to the second one now, and we got to pick our favorite. We're gonna make a poll when they're over. This one is called Unrolled by Proton Fig. It's canceled this year? What? Why? Oh, so that's why you're making an alternative. Because there needs to be one. You're stepping in. That's a good it's a good call. Yo, Splinter! It's pronounced Nicolaj. It's pronounced Nicolaj. Oh, you mean Nicolaj? No. Nicolaj. Brooklyn Nine-Nine is one of my favorite shows ever. But yeah, welcome in Raiders. Should I play a trailer? Nah, I'm not gonna play no trailer. But if you do feel like wishlisting my game, there's a Steam link. And Adagon, if you want to share anything else that any of your personal projects, your games, your itch page, whatever, also feel free to link it. Ooh, I like those twangy note progressions. This might be my favorite already. Splinter, were you here for the first one? I want your opinion. This one makes me feel like I'm playing F-Zero. This one's my favorite too, yeah. I like the slidey. Yeah. Division by Zero is very energetic. It was. I like chill songs. I usually tend to gravitate towards slower pace stuff. I had a very interesting conversation with the director of Game Development World Championships on Tuesday. Director of Game Development World Championships. What is that? The GDWC? What is that? Yeah, it's definitely more chill. It's competition. What kind of interesting conversation did you have? This one is Eugene's. All right, Proton, thank you for sharing. I made a poll. If anyone wants to choose which song their favorite was, I liked number 2. I like both, but my favorite was number 2. I'm having flashbacks to the R2R key generator in 2009. I don't know what R2R stands for, but I'm familiar with key gen music. That's amazing. Just about what kind of games are going in this year and how specific trends show up in cycles. If you want to share what you've learned, drop some knowledge on us. Remind those of us who aren't so old. I may be a sailor of the seven seas back in the day. What? Everyone, shout out to Splinter. Splinter, you were making me nauseous this morning. The pace at which you were playing GeoGuessr, I had to minimize your tab. Like, the volume was still on. I was still listening to you, but I could not look at the screen anymore. You were doing it way too fast. JB, thank you for the hydrate. I was a small percentage hungover, just a smidge hungy ovi. Don't say those two words like that. But even if I wasn't, I think I still would have felt uncomfortable. I met him earlier in an event last year and saw him again in a meetup yesterday, and he remembered me. It was wild. Nice. It's nice when people remember you and you think they don't. I was asking how my projects and stuff are going. Wait, you were asking how your projects were going? Or he or she, him, you said him. He asked you how your projects were going. Nice. Made him puke, yeah. You leveled up, yeah. 10 points to, so points, add, Splinter, BT, 10. Add points, Splinter, VT, 10. No, give points. Yep, we nailed it. Got it. Add a gun to the credits. Nice. Wait a minute. Add me to the credits. Add a gun. Add a gun. You were a first-time chat today, and you just dropped 6K channel points on me. You have been outed. You're not already in here, right? No. All right. Well, welcome to the credits. One day I'll actually update them in the game. All right, number 2 wins, unrolled. Proton. The people have spoken. So let me finish marking these cameras. So cut C is whose cam? No. Whose cam is this? I think this is Oriel's camera. Cut D is Jeff's camera. He basically said about the submissions that the trailers are unfortunately very often black screen with text and short bit of gameplay, and then again black screen with text. What? Also, apparently cats cycle in every few years as a common theme. Yeah, I can see that. Chapel, I saw you're a mod of the CTC Discord server. I made a version of Akari you might like. What does that mean? Also, Andy, this is the original chiptunes. Unrolled Long Division. What website is this? I can't tell where the sound is coming from. It was a very interesting conversation. Nice. Yeah, it sounds nice. Sounds like a good conversation to have with someone. This is Melissa's camera. I'm assuming this one's going to be Carlos's camera. That makes this one Vic's camera. And Stella. Okay, now I know whose camera's whose, so I can properly cut to them here. Now, how do I cut to a camera? I forget. Cinemachine priority. And I just kind of go up. So, sequence. Is it sequence or script? I wasn't paying attention. It is sequence. Condition, no, not condition, sequence. I want to cut to camera A. No. I want to cut to camera. Oh, I don't have a player camera. Oh, also, it got really bright in here all of a sudden? What the hell? It was overcast all day and the sun just kind of popped out right before it goes down. Dang it, sun. I need more cameras, but all right, I'll just deal with these cameras for now. Whoa. That was weird. The E. Why did that happen? The E just like moved to the end. Cinemachine priority. CM camera cut A. No, B. We're going to go straight to Eugene's camera. And now, Carlos, we're going to go to your camera. So Carlos's camera is F. And then 53, we want Vic's camera, which is H? No, G. Proton, thank you for sharing that original. Deep SID is online player of the high voltage SID collection. Over 50,000 C64 chip tunes there. Damn. Also over 200 of my release tunes. Nice. I guess if whoever wants more of that, click that link. Click Proton's link. Oh, we're in ads. Oops. Oopsies. Camera cut G. No, we want Oriel's camera, which is C. 54. Melissa's camera. 55. Melissa's camera is E. And then Jeff, 56. Jeff's camera is D. Back to Eugene. No, 57. Eugene is B. And then in the middle of this, I'm going to cut to the wide. And then here, we'll go back to Eugene. On any answer, no matter what you answer, we'll go back to Eugene. And that's that. After the conversation ends, they should clean themselves up. Right? Yeah. Okay. Let's try it out. What if I just parent these? That's probably smarter. Wait, I want another camera because Jeff kind of gets really upset. And I want to do like a close-up. How do I do that? We'll destroy them first. I wonder if I could... Yeah, I'll just make another camera. But I want to copy from Jeff's camera. C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Jeff's close-up. Not everyone gets a close-up, but Jeff gets a super close-up. And then I actually will give it some Z rotation because he's real pissed. Oh, that's so annoying. So if I want to put a camera in the middle, I mean, I guess I could say this one goes back to 55 and then this one goes up to 56. All right, it's not that. It's kind of lame. It's kind of lame. I'm just leapfrogging priorities over and over. It's a pretty stupid system. Vongo, how's it going? What are you talking about, Vongo? Behave. Vongo, behave. I'm very much waiting for my contract to be over in the end of March because this whole thing is getting very frustrating. I'm sorry. And now I need to add camera eye to the brain. All right. Who thinks this is going to work properly? How about this? When we interact with this thing, I'm going to add this action on execute. Just going to hide this thing. Exclamation cursor. Set active false. I got told to think about game mechanics. I'm just the designer, guys. Yeah. It just sounds like... Yeah, I don't know. I'm not going to make excuses for anyone. But if you're not having a good time, if you're frustrated and your lead's not helping you with that, then that's a problem. I don't think famously. Splinter, congrats again. The new yob. All right, let's fast forward to Tuesday. Or Sunday. All right, it's Sunday now. Who the J is Jarf. Active. Attend the next Sunday meeting. Active. Let's go to it. Look, look. They have shirts now. They have shirts now. Everyone can stop panting. All right, so they're all going to their assigned seats, which is good. 9 o'clock hits. Seat, hold space to begin the meeting. All right. And no, we didn't get a conversation. Why? There are 2 audio listeners in this scene. All right. I mean, that's not why, but I forgot my dummy camera. It's a problem. Yo, Finding Focus Dev. Thank you for the raid. Welcome in. Shout out to Finding Focus Dev. How are you? How was your stream? It's the joys of a very small company. I'm at least learning a lot. That's good. That's good. Shouldn't they be shirting if they have no shirts, not panting? No, you're the ones panting because they were lacking shirts. Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on this cozy life sim game called Alpine Lake. Right now, I'm working on a cutscene, trying to get camera angles and multiple NPCs talking and all that good stuff that cutscenes have. Added a bat enemy to the game today. Went well. How are you? Nice. Or I'm doing well, and nice that you added that bat. Everyone, make sure to give Finding Focus Dev a follow. Also, let's look at that link. There's your... I have the link to your game. Paste. Everyone check out Finding Focus Dev's game. It's browser-based. You do not need to download anything. That's what everyone wants to hear. Ah, yes, I will definitely check it out now that I don't have to download anything. So I didn't get any errors. which is not good. Oh, I know why. Oh, we have hair now. I think I know why. I think it's because I messed up the cutscenes. Begin conversation logic. Because they're in the wrong seats. That's why. They're in the wrong seats. Okay. Problem solved. I figured it out. So I'll be uploading the new version to the web deployment. Nice. I think I'm making it too complicated to do these cutscenes. So many checks and conditions and I really should just be porting the characters here. I really should just be porting them there. That's okay. I can actually get rid of these. I can get rid of these conditions later if I need to. All right, so Carlos, I swapped Jeff and Stella. That's why. So Stella and Jeff need to be swapped. That's that. Done. Done. It should work now. I should throw a thing. I should throw a print statement as to why this thing fails. Turning cog. Hi. I know you only came in here to tell Finn something, but hello. Let's see. Begin. Can begin. So print. Is not ready to begin the conversation. Member.npc.name. To be fair, there is the best chance he would be lurking here. He was here earlier. Need job coder 123 has it going. Walter Whitehacker. Walter White indeed. What's cooking? Not much. Just trying to get these cutscenes to work. And not be a pain in the butt when I need to make future cutscenes. I keep saying to myself, oh, I'll just make one and it'll make all the rest so much faster. And then I go to make my second cutscene. It's like, oh, well, this one has way different conditions and it's in like a different scene. So it's like a new kind of cutscene. All right, let me make this kind of cutscene. And then it's like, all right, well, that cutscene works now. So maybe the future ones will be better. Then it happens again. I'm like, okay, I'm going to make a third cutscene. It's like, all right, seriously, how do I make the one cutscene to rule them all? No, it's never going to happen. Every single cutscene has its own fun, unique conditions. And I'm just going to have to live my life like this, redesigning cutscenes every time I want a new one. All right, so everyone sits down. Everyone sits down. Now we can sit. Boom. As you may or may not know, we have a serious matter to discuss. It's not changing cameras. It's not changing cameras. Fail. I failed miserably. Ooh, but I did get this. No. False error. So why weren't the cameras cutting? Well, I don't know. I don't know. I didn't make this game. I mean, I did, but you can't expect me to know why nothing works. Cutscene. Hmm. Hmm. Do I need to mark them like as cameras I'm gonna use? No. CM camera cut. CM camera cut. I named them properly. If I check this, works. Cinemachine priority. That is a function that exists. I swear. What you working on, Booyah? And can we ride the train to the next town yet? No. Looks pretty nice, thank you. We took my mother out to dinner yesterday. They had all the gluten, soy-free options she needed, so it was less of a pain than normal. And I found out my lady had been driving around without a damn cover on her taillight for like a month. Oh no. Not having gluten-free options is wonderful when someone in your party is gluten-free. My wife is one of those people who is gluten-free 99.999% of the time. But sometimes she's like, you know what? This is good enough to get sick for. So she'll do that. But the food's got to be amazing for her to do that. She lets me judge. She's like, is this bread like top 10 bread you've ever eaten? And I always judge it fairly. And on occasion, I was just like, oh yeah, this is top 10 bread. So she'll eat that. Gluten-free is a hype. Soy-free is hard to find. Yeah. Tell me about it. Especially in Japan. My mother has developed the problems as she got older. Yeah. Uh, some weird stuff happened to my wife when she stopped eating gluten. Her sinus infections went away. Her migraines got better. Like she used to get one every couple of weeks. Now she gets one once every couple of, like maybe once a year. She'll get like a crazy bad migraine. She says, I'm gonna glute. Yeah. Get wrecked. um, Wait, you distract me. Is everything good now? No, everything's not good. Let's go. Let's do the cutscene and let's see if these values are even changing. It's possible they're changing and they're not like the highest priority camera for some weird reason. Wait, no, 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 Eugene, you're not wearing any pants. Why isn't Eugene wearing pants? Oh my God, nobody's wearing pants. Why is nobody wearing pants? Oh, they're wearing pants. I'm wearing pants. Nobody's wearing. They're not. They're not wearing pants. Were they wearing pants? Were they not wearing pants this whole time? Nobody said anything that none of the characters were wearing pants. You guys are degenerates. Well, I might as well see if the cutscene works. God damn it. All right, conversation. We have reached this point. Camera B should be 51 priority. Cutscene. Camera B. Didn't find it. Didn't find it. CM camera cut B. Is that the same name? CM camera cut B. If I paste it, it doesn't change. What if I do this? CM camera cut F in quotations. And then let's get to that. No, that didn't work either. Camera cut F. Priorities is 1. Game object. Camera reduce priority. Print reducing priority. This was working at some point. What happens if I actually take these cameras and I put them just on the root? No. I've been eating Indian bread made of whole wheat for since forever. Never had any problems. Are you gluten-free? One of our good friends is gluten-free. She makes some amazing recipes. They taste great. It gives me such confusion. Yeah, you can definitely get away with good. You can make good tasting gluten-free stuff. It's not hard anymore. I mean, it's not uncommon, or it's not impossible to find. It is possible to find it. It doesn't all have to be terrible. Cinemachine priority. What if I take away, I don't know, I take this away. Check. No. What is going on here? What if I take away this using default? What does that even mean? Yummy no pants. An IRL Zoom meeting. Yeah, they all think they're on a Zoom meeting. Hi, Hard. How's it going? Gluten-free food doesn't all have to be terrible. No. Doesn't have to be. It can be great. Like, you don't need bread to be good. And you could make convincing gluten-free bread. I've had it. I don't know why this isn't working, though. Maybe because there's no conversant. What if I make the... Yeah. So in group chat, the conversant was none also. Ah, damn it. This one worked. I swear this one worked. What is the priority of the current camera? Not that it should matter. It's not changing the other ones. 10, 20. Player virtual camera is 10. Interior. Oh, there's an interior virtual camera, which is 20. Okay. 20. It's only 20. You should be able to... Should be able to change. Should I write my own system? I didn't want to, but I think I'm going to. I think I'm going to have a camera manager. And I'm going to set the priorities myself. The answer is always yes. No. There's already a system in place for this, and the fact that it doesn't work is annoying. How about this? How about this? How about this? I'm going to change the conversation to this test one and see if that one works for some reason. Group chat test. Hold. Hello. Howdy. This one doesn't work anymore either. Interesting. Interesting. So what if I change this to group conversation? Don't. Nope. That one doesn't work either. What if... Is this not a sequence? Is it a script? No, it's definitely a sequence. Game objects. All sequencer commands. Shortcuts. Randomized next entry. All sequencer commands. This is not all of them because Cinemachine priority is one. Let me look at the documentation. Cinemachine priority dialogue system. Cinemachine camera priority on dialogue event. What? Sets the priority of a Cinemachine virtual camera when a dialogue event occurs. I didn't know this thing existed. Trigger, the dialogue event trigger. Do once. So trigger. Do once, and then destroy it. Controls the priority of this virtual camera. On start is set the virtual camera. But this isn't like, yeah, this isn't on dialogue event. This is on every dialogue event, not a certain dialogue event. No. Using Cinemachine with the dialogue system. Or use Cinemachine priority sequencer command. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So the VCam and then optional, optional. Wait, cuts immediately to the new cam instead of easing into it. Oh, so I don't need all those stupid blends. Well, if this was working, then... The name of the game object containing a Cinemachine virtual camera. Alternatives for this parameter. All. Set the priority of all VCams. Except. Set the priority of all VCams except the one named. This is tricky. Let's try something. Sets the priority of virtual camera on special cam to 999. Lamp Frost, how's it going? You saw my graph. I saw your graph. Splinter, I very much like your game that you're working on. For those that don't know, not only is Splinter VT a streamer that streams, he's also making a really cool game. Imagine this. You're in space, in a space station. And it's a little like Subnautica. But you can't leave your space station. You're sending out drones and rovers to explore the land around you on this planet. And you're collecting stuff and you're upgrading your space station while you're in it. And you have to manage your resources and eat food and figure out how to eat food. And there's story. It's fantastic. I encourage everyone to follow Splinter and force him to finish that damn game. Put on your imagination pants, folks. Put on any pants. Jeez. Cyan says I need to spam this emote here. That's a good one. That sounds great. It does sound great. Do you ever contribute to open source? I do not. My code is not good enough to do that, and I don't want to. Oh wait, Cinemachine Zoom. Maybe I don't need to have a second camera. I don't need a second camera. With the close-up, I can just set the zoom. I don't know what the heck's going on here. What if I put these cameras in the core scene? No? What if I... Running out of options here. What if I put them in the main game scene? Wait a minute, why isn't the main game scene? Oh, that's right. The scene you're in is the active scene. Covino didn't say I need to spam the emote here. No, but you do. No licking. No licking. I mean, I guess if I wasn't upset by it, you wouldn't spam them. So now I'm not upset by them anymore. There. What if, okay, how about this? What if I remove these cleanup helpers? Remove. No? Ay. That's it. I'm done. Just gonna scroll the internet now. Moves the camera to a specified angle on a subject. Yeah. Not doing that. Killica, thank you. No licking grandma. I finally have a project I want to actually work on, but I have no time yet. No, it's the worst. I suppose if the code's open on screen, it's kind of open source-ish. Yeah, you can copy it down if you'd like. Balin, I didn't even see you there. I just see the emote spam and I glazed over it. Shout out to Cyan Streams. How are you? How was your stream today? I'm struggling right now. Why else can this not be working? Let's switch this back to the main conversation. Conversation conversant is a group conversation. It's this transform. Sure. Pause game during conversation. No. Skip if no valid entries. Sure. Queue. What? Replace. Okay. Exclusive. Specify starting entry. No. Override dialogue UI. Nope. Conversation filter. No, I don't need that. Exclamation cursor. Yeah, cool. Thanks. Conditions. Tags player only. Throw cutscene events. Is that it? Is it the throw cutscene events? Let's not throw cutscene events. So now we switch to this camera. No, that's not it. It does not want to do this again. All right, I broke it. Oh my god, Blint. Aaron, how's it going? I'm being bullied. Someone help. My head's doing better, but I had to take a caffeine. Now it's fighting the melatonin I took. Oh, yeah. I lost the fruit emote. Oh, no. How sad. It was fun. How am I today? I mean, I was doing better before. Not because you showed up. Because, I don't know. I'm hitting a weird bug that I just don't know why it's happening. Shout out to Aaron. Everyone make sure to follow Aaron. His project is getting better and better every day. Actual progress being made on stream live. These are some amazing, terrible emo combinations. Yeah. Guys are losing it. Keep it together, everybody. Wow, look how perfectly that works. Is the partner emote near ready? No. No partner emote. How do I even tell if this is working? Let's do something else. Let's put another sequencer command in here, and just to see if it's working. What can I do? Set enabled. I'll set enable. Wait. Where is it? Check. Response menu sequence. Oh, I remember what that is now. If I do set enabled, I want to do set active. Here we go. Set active. Set active. I want to say, I'm going to break the game. I'm just going to straight up break the game. ISO player false. Check. How do you, is that correct? Set active. Value. True, false, or flip. Oh, flip. That's cool. Party hat. I wish I had a party hat right now. Tag equal enemy? Deactivates all game objects tagged enemy? Interesting. I didn't know you could do that. If game object starts with tag equal, it specifies a tag instead of the game object name. You can only use this to deactivate game objects, not activate them. All game objects with this tag will be deactivated. Well, la-di-da. I guess it can't find objects of type tag if they're deactivated. Whatever. I'm not using that. Let's turn off the player. The second this conversation starts, we should turn off the player. Active. Active. All right. Characters aren't wearing any pants still. It's 9:40. Okay. We begin. Something worked. Something worked, and why? Tell me why. Tell me why something worked. Wait. This is, first of all, this is the wrong camera. What's going on here? Cutscene? What camera is on? It says this one's live. Camera I. Jeff close up. Why? Why is camera I on? Conversations. Oh, because I turned the player off and all the cameras are on the player. And it just went to like the last created camera. Oh, I thought I figured something out. So turning off the player worked, but these cameras aren't working. But these camera commands aren't working. Cinemachine. Am I spelling it right? Yeah, Cinemachine priority. Why? No, I don't know why they're not wearing pants. I don't know why. Let's give them pants right now. None of it's just why aren't they wearing pants? Ah, this is why. Pants. Assemble. Now she's wearing pants. But the dumb thing is, right, I hid their pants. I hid their pants. I remember now. Oh, dang. That means every guest. There's like 30 guests. They're not wearing pants either. 2021, right after COVID. It was first time back in office, so they're not used to wearing pants. No. Pants are overrated. Hadouken. How's it going? Don't give them pants, please, I beg. I hid their old pants and I didn't give them new pants. I changed the way pants work. And you can see their pants are hidden here. But they got new pants. Put your pants on, Jeff. Carlos gets bell bottoms. I honestly don't remember like which one of these are which. I'm just giving them pants at random. Oh, there are the shorts. I don't think anyone should have shorts. Give her capris. She gets the fun striped pants. Maybe Stella gets them too. She's got... Nope, she don't got no pants. All right, everyone's almost got pants. Put your pants on. It's really funny to see. Who's left? Jarf. I don't even want to give Jarf pants. He's such a jerk. He doesn't deserve pants. Maybe I'll give Jarf shorts. And I'll say something snide like I don't need things on my legs holding me back. He looks so stupid. Can't even tell on mobile. Good. Also, Turgis, those emotes, ridiculous. We need a roly turtle emote. Just the loop of the turtle in game. Kilika, what do you think about that? Do we need the turtle on its back as an emote? You already named him Jarf. That seems punishing enough. We need it? Wow. Kilika went from being such an anti-turtle flipping activist to the #1 turtle flipper in Europe. #1. Guy streams one time, turns into a serial turtle flipper. Shout out to Kilika. Shout out to Kilika. He did his first stream and he's going to do way more now. Nice. All right, not everyone's got pants. These NPCs have pants. I'll give the other ones pants later. God, that took way too long. All right. So this is working. Set active is working. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. Watch this. I'm gonna just copy this, right? I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete it. Delete. I'm gonna click off of it. I'm gonna click back on it. I'm gonna write it from scratch. Cinemachine priority. That CM camera cut B51 close. I'm not gonna put no stinking semicolon there. All right, let's see if that works. Leth, how are you? Things are okay. Things are going okay. All right, let's give it a whirl. Didn't work. How about this? How about this? How about this? Let's try something funky. Gus a Gull, welcome in. How are you? I'm gonna try the other command, the zoom command, player character. No, what is it? Player camera? Player virtual camera. Posture check, thank you. My boss is not answering me, no. Do two turtle emotes, one flipping and one happy eating his grass? Maybe. Should the turtle be the unofficial mascot now? Or the official mascot? Thank you for the hydrate. I wouldn't mind that. I wouldn't mind if that turtle became the mascot. It was fun to make, fun to animate. I like it. Doesn't make me angry. Cinemachine priority, or Cinemachine, yeah, priority, sure. We'll try this camera and we'll say 1. And then it didn't work. This function is just not working. How about we try Cinemachine Zoom? Cinemachine Zoom 53. I don't know what it's going to do. Oh, wait, but we want to change the zoom of our camera. So Cinemachine Zoom player virtual cam 1, 3. I don't know what this is going to do, but didn't do it. That's for sure. These Cinemachine functions don't function. We're going to have to make our own. That's it. We're making our own. We're making our own. Wait, hang on for a second. A turtle is not always a tortoise. A tortoise is always a turtle. That's true. I keep saying turtle, but they're tortoise. It's a tortoise. Even I'm calling the tortoise a turtle now. I can't help it. What software is this? This is Unity. Yes, the Turtles Tiofga Mask Hot. Bongo. Tortoises are turtles. Turtle tortoise. All right, yeah, I got to make my own functions because these stopped working for some reason. I did not want to do that right now. I didn't want to do that. Yo, Adam. Adam, thank you for the raid. How's it going? How was your stream? Welcome in, Raiders. I am struggling right now. Holy crap. Struggling hardcore with Cinemachine. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on a cozy life sim game called Alpine Lake. I am struggling with cutscenes right now and getting their cameras to work. Shout out to Adam C. Younes. Have a good one. Thank you. You have a good evening as well. Enjoy your dinner. Enjoy whatever. Whatever you're about to do. Everyone make sure to give Adam C. Younes a follow. Legendary game dev. Yeah, so I'm working on this game called Alpine Lake. We've gotten 3 raids today. Maybe I'll play the trailer. I'll play the trailer. Fubar, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. This is what I'm working on. So it's a little like Stardew Valley, but you run an inn instead of farm. There is farming, but this is the main focus, where you build and decorate. Building and decorating is inspired by The Sims. There is no cooking your guests. You can fish. You can hike in the forest with your machete. Guests come to your inn. They play with their stuff. They sit in your chairs. You level up. All sorts of fun stuff. You can take photos. That's how you collect stuff. Jas Debbie, why not turn it into a mobile game? Maybe in the future one day. You know, I'm just one person, so just going for PC right now. PC and Mac release. But who knows? If it does well, we'll be on every platform. Kratish, welcome in. Totally got the Stardew Valley vibes. Nice, thank you. The 3D, yep. I'm not a 2D person. I'm a 3D person, so I have to make a 3D game. I got no choice. Need a new trailer that shows off the turtle. Yeah, I know. Dragon with sunglasses. How's it going? And at night, zombies spawn and becomes a tower defense. No, that's Aaron's game. Fal, how's it going, Fal? I saw you come in. So yeah, welcome in, everybody. Right now, I'm struggling with. So this cutscene happens where you're at a town hall meeting. I'm trying to get the camera to change. You know, I'm using Cinemachine, and all you need to do to change cameras in Cinemachine is to set camera priorities, which should be trivial, right? It should be. You know, if I just set this to 50, boom, we cut to this camera. Vic's not talking right now, but all I gotta do is change the camera to this person's camera. I have them all laid out already. Covert Gravy, thank you for the follow. But the camera system that I'm using, or the dialogue system that I'm using has a built-in function called camera priority, which changes the priority of a camera. And the function just doesn't work anymore. I don't know why. So I gotta find, you know what? Let's try this actually. Cine machine priority all to 0, all to 1. No, except. I forget how it works. Let's see. Also, sorry, I don't have dark mode on. Let me turn dark mode on. So here's the function, Cinemachine priority. Cinemachine priority. I'm spelling it right. Sets priority of virtual camera on special cam to 999. Sets priority on all virtual cameras to 0. All right, so we're going to do this. I'm going to call this all 0, right? And then we're going to say CM camera cut A to 50, right? We're going to check it. Yeah, it's a valid thing. Click. Didn't do shit. It didn't do shit. Everything is still at the same priorities. We're going to get to the bottom of this. No, we're not going to get to the bottom of this. We're going to make our own camera system. I don't want to, but I have to. You said you were going to add cooking your guests? No. That was a joke. That will not be happening. I am well, literally just got home from work. I need to check for new applicants to the team and prep to announce the jam theme tomorrow. All right, that's right, the jam. Our stream team jam is tomorrow. I wish everyone a good luck. I wish everyone a good luck and a have fun. I don't think I'm going to be able to participate. Booyah is going to be lerping to locators in about 2 minutes. No, I'm just going to make my own function that does the same exact thing. I'm going to grab all of the cameras in the scene that are virtual cameras. And I'm going to just manage their priorities. At least if I make my own system, I can ignore my player cameras. And then I can, in one function, just decide which camera is the new one to prioritize and deprioritize all the other ones. It'll actually be cleaner. I just didn't want to do it. So how do I make my own custom sequence command? Let's see. Pixel Crusher's custom sequence command. How to write custom sequence commands. That sounds like exactly what I need. You can customize the sequencer's behavior through the dialog manager's display settings. How to write custom sequencer. Oh, here it is. Delete the lines containing the text. Wait, so copy the template. Scripts, templates, sequencer command template. Delete the lines containing the text. Remove this line. Okay. Rename the class from the template to sequencer command foo, where foo is the name of your command. Sounds easy. Add your code to the start, update, and or destroy methods. Okay, we can do this. Let's do it. Before I do that, though, I do need to update the elevation of Alpine Lake. Every new follow increases the elevation of Alpine Lake. We're up to 57. Oh, it's been a minute. 57. It's 2 weeks long, so you have plenty of time to put work into it. 2 minutes, called it. No lerping. I'm not here to convince you, but yeah, I understand. I'm just terrible. I just don't have enough time. I only get 2 hours a day. I get 2 hours. Wait, what time is it? Oh, it's 5:10. Okay. I get 2 to 3 hours a day, and I feel so much pressure to work on this every day and make progress. I'd feel guilty not working on it. Work full time. I'm trying to make my first commercial game right now. Yeah. Big same. I want everyone to have fun. I feel that so much. Yeah. No, I know you get it. You're doing the same. You got a full-time job. You're working on a big game. I've only done one jam under those same conditions, and it was also 2 weeks, and I had such a great time. I had a great time working on a jam once. I just didn't, yeah. I was on a team, which was good. I just made some art assets. I guess if anyone is watching that is doing the jam and wants a 3D artist on their team, and you just need someone to make some like interesting props for a couple hours, I'm your guy. I'll join your team. Otherwise, I probably, yeah, I can't commit more than that. I would really like to do the team jam and come up with another project to abandon all my current projects for yet again. Yeah. Are there any required programs? Blender, Unity, Godot, Maya? No, there's no requirement. I think the only requirement is no AI. Anti-requirement. Wait, turn cog. Someone save me from the vintage microphone rabbit hole I fell down. Get out of there. Close tab. Not vintage, but this should deter you. Sony C800G. Yeah. Look up that. As long as you can upload it to itch. There you go. I don't blame you for not committing. Correct. No AI. Yeah, no AI. Actually, I wasn't even sure if that was a rule. I just assumed. No AI. Ever. Okay. Let's do this. Let's make our own custom template or our own sequencer setting. So sequence command foo sequencer command template. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put it somewhere else. Can I put it somewhere else or does it have to be here? I'll put it somewhere else. I'll put it in my own scripts folder called Dialog System Helpers. Look at that. Sequencer command. I already do this. That's incredible. That's fantastic. I've already made these. I just forgot. Paste. Whoa. Yeah, you know what? I'm not going to start with the template. Mine looks way cleaner. Delete. My partner is laughing. You just showed me a new microphone instead. Yeah, he did. Gotta get out of the... Wait. Get out of the rabbit hole and get in the cheese curd hole? Vongo. Vongo, that sounds dirty. Sir James, how's it going? Yo, you know what happens when you show me food? I end stream early because I'm hungry. Actually, you know what? I am going to start with this template because it's missing some things I want to know. Templates, scripts, sequencer templates. Paste. So this one's going to be called Cinemachine. Cut. Cinemachine So remove this. To use this template, you make a copy. Yeah. Your command is the name of your sequencer command. For example, for command name foo, you spell foo. Okay. If your code references scripts or assets that are outside of the plugins folder, move this script outside of the plugins folder too. What? Then remove the lines that start with remove this line. Okay. Yo, Finn, 3 stream streak. Sweet 16. This is called Cinemachine Cut. Rename to, yes, I did. Add your initialization code here. You can use the get parameter and get subject functions to get information from the command's parameters. You can also use the sequencer property to access the sequencer camera angle, speaker, listener. If your sequencer command only does something immediately and then finishes, you can call stop here and remove the update method. If you want to use a coroutine, use start method in place of or in addition to this method. Okay. Add any update code here. When the command is done, call stop. If you've called stop above in awake, you can delete this. Okay. Okay, we're learning again. Add your finalization code here. This is critical. If the sequence is canceled, and this command is marked as required, then only awake and on destroy will be called. Use it to clean up whatever needs cleaning at the end of the sequencer command. If you don't need anything, you can delete this method. Okay. Shout out to iHeart. Thank you for that, Finn. Are we going to have another Midwest battle? Did you? Yeah, didn't you do this already? No, we don't have to. It's not, though, because I've literally been here for all of them. What? I don't remember. I am the real star of this stream. Damn. Them's words. Let's make some room for this. This is going to be my new commands. These are my new commands. You know what I just realized I can do is... I think I can go into their code and see why it's not working. Maybe that'll tell me something. Dragon Spirit, how's it going? Good morning. I have sat here and watched streaks not trigger in this and other streams. That's very unfortunate. My ears pricked up. Who said that I'm VIP here? I was Grace's stream. I was in Grace's stream for 3 effing hours the other day before it triggered. That's a long time. I hate the streak system. It's interesting. It just causes turmoil when it fails. Turmoil. All right, so sequencer command Cinemachine. Oh wait, wait. That's where are they? What the hell? Camera? This is telling. Apparently this command doesn't exist right now. I wonder if it's a package I have to upload or open. Wrappers? Third-party support? Cinemachine support. I'm very scared to click this. Let's see what it does. It adds the timeline example database asset. Yeah. Door interaction. Interactable doors. Yeah, I don't want that. This doesn't add... This adds Cinemachine support to the timeline. This doesn't add the other things that I want. Let's cancel that. Scripts, maybe? MVC. Sequencer. Commands. This is all of them. They're not here. Those commands don't exist. I have an idea. What if I control F it here? Sequencer, command, Cinemachine. It only finds this one. Dragon Spirit, don't let Vongo confuse you. Imagine Twitch launching a broken-ass feature instead of fixing one of their other broken-ass features. They have the attention span of a squirrel on meth. What's another feature that's broken that you'd like them to fix, Finn? How about this? Yeah, I'm just gonna keep making. Mine. How does the other one work? Oh wait, I have another Cinemachine support. What's this one? Is this the same one? Wait, there was two. Cinemachine. Timeline example. Oh, that's because I already have this one in here. Main camera blends. I wonder if it's because I have to update my no, because this freaking worked once. That's the thing that bugs me. This actually did work at one time. Let me open up my old project. Maybe it's before I updated to Unity 6. Maybe that's the issue. Let me open up my old one. All right. Please just like be there. Cinema machine. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. They're here. Where are they? They're in options, Cinemachine, sequencer commands. These got deleted somehow. Funky. All right. We got to the bottom of this. I just need to copy these over. Ugh. God dang, that sucked. That sucked. So where is this? It's in plugins. Plugins. Welcome back from ads. Where are the plugins at? Options? It was in here, options. So funny. Can I just copy and pasty? Nah. Options. Cinemachine. Copy. Pasty. Nah. How about this? We reveal in Finder as columns. Always as columns. And then we go here. Reveal in Finder. We want Cinemachine. Copy. To go here. Pasty. All right. We close this project to not confuse ourselves. We do not save. All right, I have confidence that this is going to work, but I totally mangled all of these function calls, so I need to make sure that they're correct again. So first is Eugene's camera, which is B. Second is Carlos's camera, which is F. Third is Vic's camera, which is G. We don't want to do this. This was a test. We don't do that. Then we have Oriel's, which is not that. C. And we want it to be 55. I don't know. Because this one was 53. We want this one to be 54. Then we have Melissa, and hers is E. Then we have Jeff, and his is D. And I. And back to... Okay. Back to the beginning. Back to the beginning. All right. Let's give this a whirl. That was depressing. Why did it get deleted? And I don't remember doing this system before updating to Unity 6, which is confusing. I must have just accidentally deleted it at some point. Uploads directly to YouTube. The clip system is abysmal, and they don't seem to understand that it's the problem and not people not using it. There's a bug where some people get randomly unfollowed. That happens all over the place. Adding extensions doesn't work on Firefox. They don't consider a raid a time of high engagement to prevent ads. Do you need more? Yes. They did improve the clip system a little bit, just a little bit. They made it so that the aspect ratio of the two different windows can be slid and changed. So you're not locked into like 1:16:9 and one whatever portrait size that fits the rest. So that was a good improvement. I guess one thing that if the clip system wants to, I mean, to make the clip system amazing, they need like subtitle generation. You need to be able to make subtitles. People don't watch shorts all the time with audio. And if there's no subtitles, they're going to scroll right past it. Bongo. Bongo, please. Marsha. All right, I think this is going to work now. Let's give it a whirl. This is all I do today, then I guess that's that. Wait, uh-oh. Cinemachine could not be found. Are you missing an assembly reference? Oh, because it's not called that anymore. It's called Unity Engine dot Cinemachine, right? No? Oh, no, it's a whole different system. I forgot. That's why it doesn't work, because I updated Cinemachine. When I updated Cinemachine, all this stuff broke. Okay. Switcher. I can fix this. It's unity.cinemachine, first of all. Unity.cinemachine. And it's no longer Cinemachine virtual cameras. It's just virtual cameras. Unity.cinemachine. It's virtual camera. No, what is it? Camera switcher. Cinemachine camera. They're not called virtual cameras anymore. It's just Cinemachine camera. And then Cinemachine camera. Oh, God. No. Which one is this? Is this the one I need? This one's called priority. Yeah. Okay. All right. It's not that much. Find objects of types. Cinemachine brain. It's not Cinemachine. Oh, no, it is. It's just they let you do this. Show potential fix. Find object of type. Use find first object by type. Find first object by type. Okay. And then a Cinemachine blend definition style ease out is not a thing anymore. I think it's object reference is required from the non-static field method or property. What is this? Cinemachine blend definition. Struct. It's a struct. So you can't just define this. You have to say new. New Cinemachine. And then previous blend style equals or dot style equals. There we go. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the previous is. And then we say previous blend style equals default. Default. Is there a default style? Blend. Default blend. Cinemachine brain dot default blend dot style. Oh, crap. Oh, wait, dot. No. So time is whatever. All that stuff's inside the blend. Right? Previous blend. Yeah, time. Oh, it's changing the default to cut and then changing it back. I don't want to do that. That's crazy town. Crazy town. I'm not doing that. We're going to not support this function. We're not going to support this. If cut. Yeah, no. Forget it. Forget it. We're just not going to support that. We're not going to support all either. Or what I can do is I can just make this do what I want. I can just make it ignore the player cameras. Where are we going? I don't know. Where are we going? Y'all going to McDonald's? Get some fries? No. No McDonald's. Done great progress. You got this. I barely did anything today. I did a covert lurk and missed some things. Thank you for the shout out. You're welcome. Thank Finn. Finn did it. I told him not. I begged him not to. I'm like, do not do that. I couldn't stop him. Check your Discord DMs, please. Oh, God. If you think so, I'll let you do it. For each... No, that's not going to work. I guess if I do this, it will. Find objects by type? Is that the new thing? Find objects by type. Yeah. And then what? Why is it upset now? Because it takes an overload. Well, what is it? Sort mode. Include or exclude. Oh, let's include. Well, why are you upset now? Cannot convert from Unity Engine to Unity Engine sort mode. What? What does it want from me? Find object sort mode. Oh, sort mode. None. God. Why would it even give me the option of the other one? Oh my god. And then this stupid cleanup. No, no. We're not even supporting this anymore. Get the heck out of here. Should I restore blend mode? No. If cut and then previous blend mode. No, we're not supporting this handle cut. We do not handle cut anymore. All right. What next? What else is it upset by? It's upset with this one, but this one's way simpler. All I have to do is say unity dot cinemachine camera. Cinemachine camera priority on dialog event. What the hell is this? What is this? Something else. That's the priority. Target. What are you upset by now? Start? It's upset by start? Wait a minute. Do I have two now? Priority, yeah. Not all code paths return a value. Oh, I see. It's because it's an I enumerator. It doesn't need to be anymore. Public void. So I guess it needed to be an I enumerator to support the cuts. And then we don't need that. Do not care. Jank, welcome in. How's it going? I missed a bit. Are you writing a new camera system or trying to get the built-in one to work? I'm trying to get the built-in one to work because I don't know how it happened, but the built-in one got deleted from my project. So I went back into an older version of the project and found it. And now I'm just updating it because the new Cinemachine, system for Unity required some changes. So it should be fixed. I got no more errors. And everything's all set up. Let's do it. Let's try it. Aaron, have a good night. All right, here we go. The moment of something. Finally. It didn't change to Vic's. It's changing to Orioles. It changed to Jeff's. It changed to Melissa's. I like that. The problem is they don't have like animations. Here's the wide. This is where Grace comes in. I got this. I like your confidence. Let's hope you're right. Okay. It freaking worked. Oh my god. What a pain. Because that worked, I want to... I think I want to rewrite that whole function just to do what I want. I don't want to put a priority number. I just want to say prioritize this camera, set it to 50. Then deprioritize all of the cameras except the ones I care about. Except the ones I care about. So how do I do that in the cleanest fashion? I'm not sure. Anyway, I actually have to go. I have something important I need to do at 6 p.m. on the dot, and that's in 12 minutes. So I should wind down the stream. So we're gonna search for someone to raid as we wind down. But thank you all for hanging out with me. Everyone who came in on the raids and stuck around. Appreciate it. Everyone who's always here. You know I love you all. Jank, thank you for the follow. All right, where should we go? Where should we go? Munez, I'm looking for a raid target right now. My thoughts on Daily Akari is it's the best new game ever, and I don't even care about other games coming out. It's all about Daily Akari. I know, right? Yeah. Is there someone new we can go to? Someone new. Make a new friend. Let's go to Randy. Someone said before Randy was nice. Let's see how nice. Randy's cool. That's good enough for me. All right, everybody. Thank you for hanging. New follows. get them credits rolling. Who dis Randy? I don't know. We're going to meet them right now for the first time. Where are the credits? Credit source. They're not playing on the screen. Everything's all janked. I can read them off. Wait, you know what? I could just do this. Here. No, not that. Everything's all janked up. Restart. Roll credits. Credits sent. Are you sure? Are you sure? Liar. New follows Jank, Covert, and Fubar. Finn, thank you for modding. Adam, Adagon, and Finding Focus, thank you so much for those raids. All right, y'all. I'll be back to... Wait, yeah, tomorrow's Friday. No stream tomorrow. I'm going on vacation. Just a little weekend getaway. No stream tomorrow. I'll be back Monday. Everyone have a great rest of your day.